So I've just been out for a run with the X-Ray on 4S, and the car is fine. This rear body post did come loose, which cracked the rear of the body unfortunately, but the main problem that I had was actually this. I think the steering servo's died, which is a bit of a shame. It's been in there for quite a while, probably a year or two, so I think the gears have just stripped. So we're going to take it apart and see what it looks like inside. So I've just got some of my spare servos out here. So we've got this cheapo 25 kilogram like eBay or Amazon special. Got another one of these Savox servos, which is exactly the same as the one that's in it. This one was in the Team Magic. Got a Power HD 20 kg, same as what I use in the Hyper ST, and I've also got a JX Eco Boost high voltage. So before we put the new servo in, I thought I'd just take the lid off the Savox servo, which is an SW0231MG. I think this is a 15 kilogram servo it's rated at, and it's just held together with these 4 silver screws here. You can see the gears inside look to be brass, and it is this gear here which is stripped. You can see there's no teeth left in that kind of area, and you can also see all the little metal filings just there. I don't know whether there is a spare set of gears which you can buy for this servo, because it's only 30 quid, so it's quite a cheap one, but I'll find out, and if I can replace the gears I'll try and get some new ones. The casing itself looks perfectly fine other than being full of metal shavings, and you can see the rubber seal around the top here to keep the water out, which is quite nice, and I'm presuming it'll have the same thing on the bottom, so I'm just going to open up the bottom and show you inside there as well. It's the inside of the bottom of the servo. As you can see, that's also got a blue sort of rubber band gasket thing around it there, so that's what keeps it waterproof. And you can also see the bottom of the motor inside it there, as well as the PCB. Not particularly exciting, but for anyone interested what's inside a servo, that's it basically. So there you go. So as you can see, I've just decided to go with the eBay/Amazon special for now. I think these servos are pretty cheap, like maybe £15. I didn't buy this, it came with the SMT 10 roller, and it's not really worth selling. So it says it's 25 kilograms, 0.15 seconds. It's probably way overrated specs, but I'm just going to test it out, see how it goes in this buggy, and then we should all be good, up and running again. We'll see how it goes. Once I've got it all connected, I'll do a video of how fast it turns, and we'll have a look. So I've just stuck a 3S pack in, just test the steering servo, see how it goes. doesn't seem too bad. But obviously the real test will be when it's in the actual field. It's definitely not as fast as the Savox one that was in before, but doesn't seem too bad. So I guess we'll have to take it on a bash maybe next week or whatever and see how it holds up. That'll be it for this one, I think. Goodbye.